If you're paying lawyers thousands to clean up your online reputation, you're wasting money, and here's how to do it yourself in 7 days. Here's the problem. Most people think lawyers are their only option. Google your full name plus your city. Within 60 seconds, you'll see exactly what clients find. Flag policy violations on Google, Yelp, and Facebook. 73% of fake reviews get removed in 5 days. Let's say a competitor leaves a fake 1-star review on your Google business profile, claiming you overcharged them. Within 48 hours, your phone calls drop 40%. You panic and call a reputation lawyer. They quote you $3,500 for a simple dispute. This is exactly why we built ReputationZilla, to handle review attacks without the legal markup. Most disputes don't need a lawyer at all. They need someone who knows the platform policies cold. Most people fail here. They hire a lawyer because they think platforms only listen to legal letterhead. Wrong. Google, Yelp, and Facebook all have self-service dispute tools. Lawyers just use the same forms you can access for free. The difference is they know which policy violations stick. Defamation claims get ignored 80% of the time. Policy violations like fake identity or competitor sabotage get approved in under a week. First, screenshot the violating review and identify the exact policy it breaks. Google's policy prohibits fake reviews, competitor sabotage, and impersonation. Yelp bans reviews from non-customers. Within 3 minutes, you can file a dispute directly in Google Business Profile under the 3-dot menu next to any review. No lawyer needed, zero cost. This is important. When you write your dispute, cite the specific policy by name. Don't say the review is unfair or mean. Say it violates Google's fake engagement policy because the reviewer has never been a customer. Include proof like your CRM records showing 0 transactions with that email or name. Disputes with evidence get approved 68% faster than emotional appeals. Here's the problem. Path A is hiring a reputation lawyer for $2,500 to $5,000 who files the same dispute form you can access. Path B is using ReputationZilla's dispute service, where we handle the entire process, follow up weekly, and escalate to platform support teams for a fraction of lawyer fees because we do this full-time. For reviews that survive the first dispute, here's the exact escalation script that works. Go to Google Business Profile Help, click Contact Support, then copy this verbatim. I am disputing review ID. Paste the review URL here, under your fake engagement policy. The reviewer has never been a customer. I submitted evidence on date. This review violates your policy section 3.2 regarding fraudulent content. Please escalate to a human reviewer. Most auto-rejections flip to approved within 72 hours when you escalate with the exact policy section number. I am disputing review ID. Paste review URL under your fake engagement policy. The reviewer has never been a customer. I submitted evidence on date. This review violates your policy section 3.2 regarding fraudulent content. Please escalate to a human reviewer. Flag the review citing exact policy violations. Attach proof the reviewer was never a customer. Let ReputationZilla handle it end-to-end. If this helped, smash like, subscribe, and visit ReputationZilla for the complete dispute service. Visit ReputationZilla.org.